Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. How you doing? I'm ready here to plan. To all of my subscribers, thank you. To all my new subscribers, thank you. I am so appreciative that you stop by and spend some time with me while I plan and while I work on some of my crafts. So let me say from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. So let's get started. We're planning for the week of August 15th to the 21st. And remember how I told you all that summer is just going by so fast, that I barely have a chance to even think about what's going on, because summer, this is the last month of summer. Next month is fall, and it's just so fast. I barely got all the things I wanted to do done. I wanted to paint my front door and just all kinds of stuff. I put that in my plans that was something I wanted to do, and shoot, I didn't get that done. I still got time though. I still have some time to get some of that stuff done, but it's just like the time is just creeping up on me. Who else thinks time is just creeping up? Each week I'm sitting here and I'm planning, I'm writing down my plans, and stuff keeps overtaking everything, and I'm like, oh, come on with that. I walk out my front door and I go, I thought you were going to paint that. Didn't get that done. I'm going to get that done though before the season's over. Before the time's over when you can't get stuff done, I'm going to get that done. So what I've been thinking about is just the wonders of being able to, it's been hot here in this area, but just having that time where you could sit out on your porch at night where it's a little bit, hasn't been like cool, but it's nice. It's been nice where you can sit out and just kind of enjoy the evening. And that's what I've been trying to do, just sit out and enjoy the evening. And sit out there with my whatever beverage of choice I have. I like a good, nice frappe. So I've been sitting out there enjoying myself with a good frappe and just kind of just having a good time drinking that, reading some good books. And, I must admit, I didn't get much work done this time that I said I was going to do. But I'm going to tell you, I did get some really, really good reading in. And I have enjoyed all the stuff because I've had a chance to get in and read. So I have enjoyed that. I'm not going to put much on this page because I need a lot of white space this week because I have to get a lot of stuff done at work. So that's that page. Here, I want to kind of keep it a little bit cohesive here because I got this week at work is a really, really super busy week, and I'm going to need all my white space to keep all my notes in. Got a few doctor's appointments and everything like that I got to do, and so I can't just mess up my space. I'm going to need it. I could put a few other things here, but I want to just spread things around and not use up most of my space with stuff. Sunday is going to be my only day where I can just hang out and don't worry about anything. And so since Sunday is that day, I'm going to put this girl here because she's going to take up most of that day there. That's what I want for that day. So she's going to be there. And I had looked in my book, Colorful Boxes, and I wanted to throw a few header boxes down to use on Thursday. So I wanted to throw a few boxes down on Thursday. I'm not the best with my boxes because I'm always laying them down crooked. I hate to say that. I'm always laying my boxes down crooked, which is a terrible thing, because I think if you visit my house, you will also notice that all of my pictures in the house are also crooked. But of course, I love it. Crooked is my vibe. Crooked paintings, crooked house, crooked boxes. That's my vibe. So everybody has a vibe. Some people's planning is just perfect. Mine consists of crooked boxes. So that's what mine looks like. I need a bigger box here. So I want to put a few boxes down so I can make sure I highlight what it is I'm trying to get done these days. I like the look of this so far. This side, let me look at the two sides together. Look at the two sides together. I like the look of it. I like the look of it. This side, this could use a couple of boxes over here to give me a little balance. Just a little balance here. I need some balance. Need some balance. And some crookedness. I need some balance and some crookedness, which is what I usually bring to the table. A little balance, a little crookedness. But I must admit, being a planner since my days with, when I started with Franklin Covey planning, and I think I've said that a few times, that's when I started planning and using a few stickers to get things done. But these have been really good times with stickers and being able to use stickers to get things done and to make sure that you can get all of your work done, but get it done with a little pretty vibe to it. And I'm telling you, I love the Rongrong girls. They're the kind of giant stickers that they have in Joann's, and they're Rongrong stickers. She makes really beautiful stickers and things for her drawings. I love her drawings. If you haven't seen some of her stuff, you can go follow her on Instagram, and she kind of does some of her artwork right there on there. She's amazing. She's amazing. And I like using her stickers when I can in my planning. So there we are, ladies. There we are, everyone. This is my spread for the week. Let me look at it. Make sure. I think I'm good. I think this is my spread for the week. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it gives you that end of summer vibe. I hope that you get a chance to sit out and do what you need to do and have a cocktail yourself. And I shall see you all in my next video. Be the reason somebody smile. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Love you guys. Press that like button if you like the spread. Also, if you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button. I do lots of things here, and I hope you'll enjoy it and join me on my crafty journey. Goodbye, y'all. Have a good evening.